what your brain is really doing while you sleep. Ever wondered what your brain is really doing while you sleep? While your body seems at rest, your brain becomes a center of intense activity, orchestrating processes that are vital for your health, learning, memory, and emotional well-being. Tonight, we'll take a journey through the science of sleep, exploring the latest research, fascinating facts, and real-life stories that highlight just how remarkable your sleeping brain truly is. The science of sleep, stages, and brain waves. Sleep is not a single, uniform state. Instead, your brain cycles through a series of stages, each with its own unique patterns and purposes. Scientists divide sleep into two main types: non-REM and REM sleep. Non-REM sleep has 3 stages, ranging from light sleep to the deep, restorative slow-wave sleep. REM stands for rapid eye movement and is the stage most associated with vivid dreaming. When you first drift off, you enter stage 1 of non-REM sleep, a light phase where your brain transitions from wakefulness to rest. Brain waves slow down, muscles relax, and you may experience sudden muscle twitches. Within minutes, you move to stage 2, where your brain produces bursts of electrical activity, known as sleep spindles and K-complexes. These are believed to protect your sleep from disturbances and play a role in memory consolidation. Stage 3 is deep sleep, also called slow-wave sleep, characterized by large, slow delta waves. This is the most restorative phase, when your body repairs tissues, builds bone and muscle, and strengthens your immune system. For your brain, deep sleep is essential for clearing out waste products and supporting long-term memory. About 90 minutes after you fall asleep, you enter REM sleep. Brain activity increases, becoming similar to when you're awake, but your body is temporarily paralyzed, a protective mechanism to prevent you from acting out your dreams. REM sleep is when most dreaming occurs, and it's crucial for learning, emotional regulation, and creativity. The brain's night shift, cleaning and maintenance. One of the most groundbreaking discoveries in neuroscience over the last decade is the glymphatic system. While you sleep, your brain cells shrink slightly, increasing the space between them. This allows cerebrospinal fluid to wash through the brain tissue, flushing out toxins and metabolic waste, including beta amyloid and tau, protein substances linked to Alzheimer's disease. This nightly cleaning crew operates up to 90% more efficiently during deep sleep than when you're awake. If you consistently miss out on deep sleep, these toxins can accumulate, increasing your risk of cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases. This is one reason why chronic sleep deprivation is so harmful for brain health. Memory consolidation, your brain's filing cabinet. While you sleep, your brain is busy sorting and storing memories. During slow-wave sleep, the hippocampus, your brain's temporary memory storage, replays the day's experiences in rapid bursts. These replays help transfer information to the neocortex, where long-term memories are stored. This process is called memory consolidation. Recent studies show that during REM sleep, the brain doesn't just reinforce memories, it also helps you make connections between seemingly unrelated pieces of information. This is why you might wake up with a solution to a problem that stumped you the day before. Your sleeping brain is actively working to integrate new knowledge, strengthen important memories, and prune away the unnecessary details. Emotional processing and dreams. REM sleep is sometimes called the theater of dreams. During this stage, the brain's emotional centers, particularly the amygdala, are highly active, while the prefrontal cortex, the area responsible for logic and self-control, is less so. This combination allows you to process emotions and experiences in a way that's less constrained by rational thought. Dreams may help us work through unresolved feelings, process traumatic experiences, and rehearse possible solutions to real-life challenges. Studies with trauma survivors have shown that adequate REM sleep can reduce the emotional intensity of painful memories, helping people recover from stress and anxiety. The creative brain. Many creative breakthroughs have occurred during sleep. The structure of the periodic table, the melody for the Beatles' Yesterday, and even the sewing machine needle were all inspired by dreams. During REM sleep, your brain forms new connections between ideas, fostering creative thinking and problem solving. Research from Harvard and other institutions shows that people who get enough REM sleep are better at finding creative solutions to complex problems. The brain's reduced inhibition during this stage allows for more flexible, out-of-the-box thinking. Why children and teens need more sleep. Young brains are especially busy during sleep. Children and teenagers need more sleep than adults, often 9 to 11 hours a night, because their brains are growing and reorganizing at a rapid pace. During deep sleep, growth hormone is released, and the brain prunes unnecessary neural connections while strengthening important ones. Teenagers' circadian rhythms naturally shift, making them want to stay up later and sleep in longer. Fighting this natural pattern can impair learning, memory, and emotional regulation. That's why experts recommend later school start times for adolescents. Sleep disorders. When things go wrong, millions of people struggle with sleep disorders. In sleep apnea, repeated interruptions in breathing prevent the brain from reaching deep sleep. This disrupts memory consolidation and the glymphatic cleaning process, increasing the risk of dementia and other health problems. Insomnia prevents people from falling or staying asleep, leading to chronic fatigue, mood disturbances, and impaired cognitive function. REM sleep behavior disorder, where people physically act out their dreams, can be an early sign of neurodegenerative diseases like Parkinson's. The modern sleep crisis. Modern life poses new challenges for healthy sleep. The average American sleeps 2 hours less per night than people did a century ago. Exposure to blue light from phones and computers suppresses melatonin, the hormone that signals your brain it's time for bed. Irregular schedules, stress, and caffeine all contribute to poor sleep quality. Shift workers are particularly vulnerable. Their brains struggle to adapt to changing sleep-wake cycles, increasing the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and cognitive decline. Maintaining a regular sleep schedule and creating a restful environment are key to supporting brain health. Optimizing sleep for brain health. Simple habits can make a big difference. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Avoid screens for at least an hour before bed. Exercise regularly, but not too close to bedtime. Limit caffeine and alcohol, both of which disrupt sleep architecture. If you're struggling with sleep, consider keeping a sleep diary to track your habits and patterns. Cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia is a proven, drug-free approach that helps many people restore healthy sleep. The future of sleep science. Sleep research is advancing rapidly. Scientists are exploring how targeted brain stimulation during sleep might enhance memory and learning. Personalized sleep recommendations based on genetics and brain imaging may soon help people optimize their rest for better health and performance. Researchers have also discovered that certain brain regions can be asleep while others remain awake, a phenomenon called local sleep. This might explain why you can feel mentally foggy even after a full night's rest. Sleep isn't just rest, it's a complex, dynamic process that keeps your brain healthy, sharp, and ready for life's challenges. Here, we bring you science-backed insights, stunning 3D animations, and practical health tips that help you understand your body and mind like never before. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the sleeping brain, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. We release new videos packed with powerful health science every week. Your brain, your body, your well-being, all in one place. Stay curious, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.